YouTube channel. If you are someone who is watching my video for the very first time, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit on the bell icon. So guys, this video is entirely dedicated to Eid. I have created this glam glittery makeup look for you people so that you can recreate this look on Eid. So guys, let's quickly move on to the video and see how I created this glamorous makeup look for you people. So guys, I'm starting off with my concealer, and for concealing I'm using the Makeup Studio concealer in the shade dark yellow. So after concealing my face today, I am using my Makeup Studio Cream Foundation palette. This is a professional palette guys. It's not generally used for day-to-day purpose because the texture is a bit heavy. So it's difficult to blend as compared to the liquid foundations. But since this is a Eid inspired look, this is for Eid, so I want to make it a little bit more heavy and a little bit more glamorous. So for that, I'm going ahead with this palette. I'll be making a separate video in which I'll be telling you how you can use the cream foundations, because there are many shades as you can see, and sometimes you need to mix match to get your appropriate skin tone, or sometimes the correct skin tone is available. So I will tell you each and everything in that video, but for now in this video I'll just directly use it on my skin because I know my skin tone. Now guys, after applying this on your face, I know I'm looking like horrible, but just excuse me for that. So guys, you can use a beauty blender or you can use this stippling brush. I think stippling brush is best to blend a cream foundation more than a beauty blender, but still it's your choice. Whatever you feel comfortable with, you can go with that. So now let's start this. Guys, just keep a check on my hand movement, okay? It's very important to see the hand movements. It's always round. You can't do this like this. You have to move in a circular motion. It's time to bake my foundation. Cream foundation needs a lot of baking, so please don't miss this step if you are using a cream foundation. And I'm using my Kryolan translucent powder. This is one of the best baking powder for your cream foundations because it has no color, plus it's very light-weighted in texture, so it won't add any more foundation or any more product. It will just set your foundation. So now I'm starting off with my brow. I'm using this Miss Claire palette for my brows. Actually my brows are already fuller. I don't need to do it, but just for telling you how to do it, I thought of doing it today. So let's start. I'm using this angular brush, and with this angular brush I'm going to take this brown and grayish tone and then start applying it stroke by stroke on my brow. I'm mixing the two shades since my hair are brown, so it's very important to use the color according to your hair type, okay, according to hair color. So first of all, I'm starting from here. I'm taking a very little color because I already have fuller brows, so they'll look very overdue then. First of all, I will fill outside, and then later on I'll move in the front. Now I'm moving on the front side. Generally the front hair are like this, but my hair are like this, so I have to move according to that only. Can't help. Okay, so stroke by stroke. Can you see I'm going stroke by stroke, just that way. And to take out the extra, I'm using this brush and just I'll brush the extra powder from my hair. I'm using this palette from NYX, and I'm going to take the darkest shade of purple first because I want to go a little overboard with my eye makeup today, like a very sort of heavy eye makeup. After this, I have applied this blue shade on my outer corner of the eyes, and I'm again taking the same blue shade and I'm just blending it in the outer corner of my eyes. At the end, I'm taking this darkest shade and just going to put it on the outer corner of my eyes. I'm not going to blend this shade, just put it, okay? Now I'm taking a clean blending brush that was like full of colors, so that's why I'm taking a clean one, and I'm going to blend some colors till the inner corner of my eyes. I'm going to take my concealer brush. The product is already there, the cream foundation, and I'll take a little bit more and just apply it over the inner corner of my eyes. Guys, why I'm applying it today? Because I'm making this look very glamorous, and you know, the color should pop out. So whatever I'll apply over this concealer right now, that will pop out more. So that's why. Just on the half eyelid, not on the full, okay? I'll be using my Nykaa blue kajal, and it's in the shade Blue Hex 01, and I'm going to apply it just below my waterline. I'm taking the same eyeshadow palette and just using this shade a little bit, and I'm going to blend it with this blue kajal. Using my NYX white kajal in the shade Fox White on my waterline. Now over it, I'm using a silver color liner. It's not any particular brand, I just got it from a beauty shop. So you can use any brand, whichever you want. It's HR, I don't know which brand it is. And I'm just applying it over here. I'll take a flat brush and I'll just spread it a little. Can you see, guys, how beautiful it is looking? Guys, now over this I will be tapping my glitter from Inglot. Very slowly, you have to just tap, tap, tap. So guys, I've used this from Inglot. Can you see? I think it's not visible, and it's in the shade 50. It looks like this. I'm using my Too Faced Damn-Gull mascara. I don't use lashes. I don't feel comfortable with them, so that's why instead of using lashes, I feel like doing a double or triple coat of my mascara. That feels better because I already have fuller lashes. I don't feel the necessity. After completing my eye makeup, now quickly come to contouring. So the best part of this palette is you don't need a contour stick or a contour palette separately. You can directly do with this. So I'm using this flat brush and I'll be taking the product and pouting. For the blush, I'm using a red color lipstick. Applying liquid highlighter from Makeup Studio, my all-time favorite highlighter, taking a pump of it and just applying it. I'll be using my lip pencil first from Nykaa, Lips Don't Lie, in the shade Chocolate Boy. I will be using my Nykaa lip palette, and the name is Sealed with a Kiss, and it has so many shades of pinks and browns, so I'll be playing with the colors. So this is the look which I created for you for Eid. I hope you like this look. If you like it, please recreate this and don't forget to tag me. You can always find all the details of the products in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit on the like button, comment, share, and of course press the bell icon for future videos. Until next time, bye bye. Stay safe, stay home.